Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I want to focus on an AI text-to-speech software that converts your speech or let's say you have a script for your YouTube channel that you want to use as a voiceover. And we know how expensive it can be when you need to have a voiceover done for you in platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. You can even end up paying $100 for the same. So in today's video, I'm just going to be straightforward because I've previously talked about this AI writer, which is a content writing or article writing software whereby you can actually use so many ideas. You can have blog ideas, blog section writing, all the way to testimonial and reviews, video channel description, video description, and video ideas. So for today's video idea, I have a topic on types of exercises to do during pregnancy. So what I'm going to do is just highlight it uh, and copy and paste it to the software that I'm about to show you. So this software is known as Well Said Labs. It's one of the most powerful AIs that I've encountered in the market. It's a free software. It has a 7-day free period to try it out. And then from there, you'll only pay less than $50 a month, which is quite cheaper and cost efficient. So once you're prompted to sign in, you'll just come and agree to the terms and conditions for the software. There's no hateful and violent content, deceitful and illegal content. So you just tick on agree, then I consent to these terms. So as you can see, it indicates that you have 7 days and 50 clip retakes remaining in your trial subscription. So you can upgrade to get file downloads, more projects, and unlimited retakes. So I'll just click on new project and then I'll just type in pregnancy exercise. Type of client, that's optional, so I'll just write the name of my channel, my nuggets, and then create a project. You have a folder here whereby you have your projects, then you have the studio. The studio, that's where you can choose the narration style, whether US or promo for the US. And then for this, I have a lady by the name Ramona, an AI. So pronunciation, it's already on. And type of word or numeral, you can specify, and try phonetic spellings. And you can also add them to your library if you choose to. And then we have the resources where you can learn more, step-by-step guide, live sessions, and the like. And then below you have your account. So I'll just go to studio, then go back to my script, and then I'll first copy the topic and paste it right here. It only gives me a maximum of 5,000 characters. So make sure to have your commas the right place for you to get it right in the text to speech. So just do the same for the rest. And then I'll also do away with the keywords. I don't need that in the script. So once you've copy pasted, just click on create and then play. I'll just pause it at that, and because it's a video that we are doing, so I'll just come here and rectify that this article and just edit out that and just write this video, and then play. So kindly bear with me. I've noticed that whenever I try playing the video on the, or rather the text to speech on the AI, my mic does not pick up on the voices. So I'll check on that. Kindly bear with me with that, because I know it's supposed to give you an idea of what you expect with the Well Labs, but it definitely has the best voice text to speech voiceovers. It's actually a list. It's actually a list of over 20 characters. So you actually have a lot to choose from. So it's not just limited to a few. You can have as many as you'd like to have. But for tutorial purposes, I just wanted to show you that this is one of the best text to speech softwares in the market so far. Quite affordable, and gives a range of accents, US, Australia, the list goes on and on. So once you're done doing that, you'll just click on download, and then you can either download your files in either MP3, WAV, OGG, MP3, and text. So you can have it in your audio format, text format, and also WAV and text, or AGG and text. You can also move your files to whichever folder that you want to choose it to move it from. And you also have an option to combine. This is for the paid version of it. And then you can also choose to delete if it didn't work out the way you wanted it to, or if it did not produce the results that you wanted. We have the marker, which goes for $44 per month, billed annually. Then we have the most popular creative, which is $89, the producer, and the team, whereby you can be customized in accordance to the number of your team members. So they also have a 10% off. So it also saves a coin if you choose to go with the paid version of it. You can just head up to Writer. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And it's an affiliate link. So whenever you subscribe to it, I'll earn a commission out of it. And as well as the Well Labs link, it will be down on the link below, on the description link below. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I do. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, kindly leave them on the comment section below. I'll go through them one by one. And if you haven't subscribed, just click on the subscribe button kindly, guys, and share this video. And also turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any other videos that I upload in future.